G'day guys, Jamin Tunstall here. Just wanted to give you a really quick rundown on my gear that I used at the Boondooma Brawl. I was lucky enough to come away with the second. First time I've got one of these trophies, so I'm absolutely stoked and I'm looking to get a few more. So the Palm Slow Blat was an absolute killer. This one here is in the 20 gram. This is the same one that I used for the whole weekend. I basically cast into 12 to 15 foot, and just with that extra bit of weight, as I slow rolled it back, it stayed constant at that depth the whole way back to the boat. So straight out of the packet, these guys have got 3 super strong decoy hooks on them. Basically pull it out of the packet, you're ready to go. There's no need to trick it up, no need to change your hooks, split rings, anything like that. Tie it on, catch fish. Attached to the lure, I was using the FC Sniper Invisible. This stuff is done by Sunline. It is absolutely unbelievable. Basically, where I'll usually use a 12 pound or something like that, I'll go down to a 10. If I would usually fish a 10, I'll go down to an 8. It's absolutely brilliant to use, has brilliant abrasion resistance. So fishing around timber, rocks, anything like that, this is absolutely brilliant. So down to the business end. The rod I was using was an NS Black Hole Avenger. This one is in a 7'11" heavy, 10 to 20 pound. Basically, this rod is perfect for throwing spoons, marsh jackals, anything that's a bit heavier, big tail spinners, stuff like that. Quite happy to take this out, catch schoolies out off Rainbow or something like that, go up the creeks chasing jacks. These things, they're unbelievable. So the reel I was using is just a Quantum Smoke PTI. This thing's unreal. It's in the 30 size, so perfect for slow rolling. It's a little bit larger than the normal size, which would be a 20 or a 25. Just a larger spool size, great for taking up line quickly. Say you're hopping masts or tail spinners, something like that. Just a little bit larger spool circumference, great for taking up line really quickly. Great drag system on these. They're just an absolute dream to use, and the best part is they're not going to break your budget. So guys, if you want to know any more details about any of these products, jump onto ejtodd.com.au. Until next time, tight lines.